Good afternoon, everyone. It's Mark reporting from 4001 North Ocean. I'm standing up on one of the chairs on the deck of the sales center and got the action right here in front of me. This is this huge drill and auger which does a number of things. Number one, it drills the hole for the pilings, one of the 300 pilings that we'll have. And then cement is injected through this pipe, from this tank, through this pipeline. Then you see it going up, and it actually injects cement through the drill bit itself. You can see how it's very wide. I'm hoping that we can capture that process. And then you see right here in front of us, kind of at a slant here. See where that wrecking ball is? Well, that affixed to that is the rebar, the steel coils that are then fitted in through the cement after the piling has been dug and the cement injected. So I'm hoping, well, I don't think I am going to get that because I see the cement truck pulling away. So bad timing on that, but that's the process. I think I said we'll do over 300 of these pilings. This building will be anchored like a rock on the coastline here. Just an absolutely beautiful day, the first real fall day that we've had. It's probably only about 80. Yesterday we noticed a real kind of a marked change in the season. It kind of turned from summer to fall. Now we'll probably still get some hot days, but this breeze coming off is beautiful. The humidity is low. It's just a beautiful, beautiful day. And I can't wait until you start returning back to the area so that you can see all of this firsthand. Actually, I think that the truck is going to get a fresh new truck of cement is pulling in. So if we stay with me, I think we'll still get the completion of this process. They'll hook that pipeline back onto it, and they'll start flushing cement into the hole just drilled. I see what they do. It doesn't come directly from the truck. I see they're pouring it into this machine, and then this machine then pumps it into that large, thick tubing that you see here. And again, it goes right into the drill bit itself and just injects it down through the center. So hopefully we can, I think they're getting ready to do that now. Take a look. Bang, all speed ahead. See him signaling that. So it now, as we're speaking here, that it's pouring cement down through the middle of that drill bit. You'll see here at the end the cement pouring out afterwards. You can see the tube jerking around because it's pumping it, cement's being pumped through it. I hope you saw where it's now changed color. So you can see, if you look down, I hope you can see this as well as I can, but you can see now, instead of dirt now around the drill, you see it's filling up a pool of cement. Yeah. Now we see it's just all, see it pulling up there. I hope you can. I'll check this later. And then now they will bring this, they're starting to move that crane with the rebar. This is great. They're moving that, and you'll see how this then will be inserted directly into the hole that's just been dug. There you go. He's now reopened up the little small hole right there. Then he'll guide the rebar directly down through the center of it, drop it down the middle. So that's just an incredibly super strong piling system that we're going to have to anchor the foundation. Oh, that's great. He's unloosening it now from the crane so they can tap it down the rest of the way, probably use the backhoe to finish the job. There we go. Nope, just slid right down. Bang, see how quickly it disappeared down in there? That's how it's done. Again, we'll do over 300 of those. So that's it for this week. I'll talk to you next week. Thanks.